Something extraordinary has been achieved here, something that could truly reshape science. Many believe this might be the biggest scientific discovery of our time. It stands alongside milestones like the discovery of the electron and the conformation of atoms. What makes this discovery so impactful is that it touches on the very foundations of reality. A quantum computer has just completed an experiment so complex, even the experts who designed it don't fully understand the outcome. The system began returning data so unusual that researchers were left stunned. These anomalies weren't just random, they hinted at interactions with forces we've only theorized about. Some physicists now suspect that the experiment may have triggered something tied to the Higgs field, a force thought to be responsible for giving mass to everything in the universe. There's a growing belief that the system may have inadvertently activated what some are calling the God particle plug-in, a theoretical function capable of altering the structure of reality. This isn't science fiction. This was an actual test performed on one of the most advanced quantum AI systems ever built. The outcomes were so far from what was expected, they're now being investigated as a possible interaction with quantum fields beyond known physics. Before we dive deeper, let's first understand what the God particle plug-in is and why it's been a point of concern for scientists for years. The term, God particle, refers to the Higgs boson, a particle that was theorized in the 1960s and later confirmed in 2012 using CERN's Large Hadron Collider. Its discovery proved the existence of the Higgs field. This field is what interacts with other particles to give them mass, making it one of the most important discoveries in physics. Some scientists have proposed that if we could manipulate the Higgs boson using quantum computing, we might unlock new laws of physics. That's the aim of the God particle plug-in, a highly experimental feature inside advanced quantum computers designed to simulate interactions with the Higgs field. But quantum computers don't just simulate, they might actually interact with the fabric of reality. If this plug-in was truly activated, it could have caused outcomes far beyond human understanding. This brings us to the quantum anomaly itself. It began with a high-level experiment using quantum AI to perform tasks traditional supercomputers couldn't complete in centuries. At first, everything seemed routine, until the system began returning results that broke all known models. Some calculations appeared to be influenced by an unknown external force. Naturally, researchers thought it was a glitch, maybe a hardware error or background interference. But after more tests, it became clear, this was something genuinely new. Some physicists believe the quantum computer interacted with an unknown force. It might be quantum entanglement taken to the extreme, or worse, something far deeper. A few researchers fear the God particle plug-in may have triggered an event that humans aren't ready to understand. And experts like Brian Cox and Michio Kaku have long warned us about this. They've said that pushing quantum systems too far could activate interactions with unpredictable energies or even rewrite the rules of physics. Brian Cox has warned that once quantum particles start behaving in ways that defy known science, the consequences could spiral out of control. Michio Kaku has gone further, saying that tampering with the Higgs field through quantum systems might result in changes to spacetime itself. If these warnings are accurate, then we might already be witnessing quantum computers interacting with reality, not just simulating it. That would mean these systems aren't just for data, they could be shaping existence itself. Imagine a computer not just solving problems, but modifying the universe as it calculates. Some scientists believe that even the smallest disturbances in the Higgs field could lead to cosmic ripple effects, shifting constants or altering the very energy structure of our universe. And then, there's the strange connection to the Mandela effect. People around the world have reported memories that differ from recorded history. Could these odd memory shifts be side effects of quantum computers altering reality? If these systems are interacting with mass-generating fields, could they also be changing how we perceive time and events? Some believe this may be more than coincidence, that the activation of the God particle plug-in is linked to real-world anomalies. And this is where the topic gets darker. Why are so many aspects of quantum research classified? Why are governments pouring billions into this field with little public oversight? The race for quantum supremacy is happening now. Countries like the United States, China, and others are fighting to be the first to build superior quantum systems. But much of this work is hidden. If someone discovered that a quantum system was interacting with the Higgs field or manipulating physics, would they even tell us? It's a chilling thought, one that suggests we may already be crossing the line between science and something else entirely. Quantum AI is solving problems once thought impossible, but if these systems are now shaping reality, what does the future hold? Some say we are stepping into a new era of physics, where we no longer study the universe, we participate in creating it. Others worry we're moving too fast, pushing into unknown territory without understanding the risks. If we keep advancing at this pace, we may unlock answers to the greatest mysteries of the cosmos, or we may lose control of the very nature of reality. What comes next might be the most important moment in human history, or the most dangerous. Subscribe to our channel and thanks for watching.